Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on the features that let the phone generate AI-style emoji. Open Settings and go straight to Keyboard to enable predictive and emoji enhancements. If you use a third-party AI keyboard, install or update it now. Make sure you grant microphone and full keyboard access so suggestions work. Once done, restart the Messages or Chat app to load the keyboard. This ensures the phone can analyze your text and suggest emoji variations automatically. Now you compose a message and let the AI generate emoji options. Type a phrase, then look for the suggestion strip or AI suggestion chip above the keyboard. Tap it to reveal generated emoji sets. If you need a specific vibe, add descriptive words like cheerful or sarcastic, because the AI uses text context to match emoji tone. Once options appear, long press an emoji to see variations and tweak skin tone or expression. Make sure to preview before sending to confirm intent. Finish by selecting and sending the AI-generated emoji. Tap your choice and confirm it appears correctly in the chat bubble. If the feature doesn't work, first check keyboard permissions and ensure the AI keyboard or iOS is up to date. Sometimes a quick toggle of full access or a restart fixes it. If suggestions still fail, reset the keyboard dictionary or reinstall the keyboard app. One key troubleshooting tip: clearing the app cache and restarting the phone often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.